So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. So in this video, I'll tell you what happens if you forgot to order the swags and the arcade price count. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So as you all are aware that the price of counter is just around the corner. What does it mean? That currently the arcade program has recently been ended on the 30th of June. And now the team is preparing the Arcade Insider emails. After that, once the Arcade Insider email is out, within 2 to 3 days or even up to a week, you can expect before 15th or by 15th the price counter. So when the email will be out, you'll get a chance to order your stocks. But there, especially in that email I have shown in this video, if you haven't watched it, you can watch it. That how long does it take for the swags to reach us? Also, an important thing is that there is a deadline. Like you have to order all the swags within that timeline only. And in case you forgot to order the swags, you won't be eligible for getting the swags. Yes, you heard it right. If you forgot to order the swags, you won't be getting that swags again. And no extension will be there for any deadline. So suppose the price counter is out on 15, you may get an extended timeline till 27 or 28, even lesser than that. So you need to order once the price counter is out, but you need to wait for the official video that I need. Till then, you can wait and just make sure you prepare your address and unique mobile number for each milestone. If you have 2 or 3 milestones like this, just prepare a separate numbers and then order it carefully. What does it mean? You have to use different number for different milestone. If you are having more than one milestone, that is 2 accounts. That is not generally recommended. Now here you can see I have shared a video how to calculate the points so that you don't miss anything. Also, one more important video is that what happens to the unused points, what happens to them, can we use in the next cohort also. So that also I have answered in that video, so you can watch it. Now here, what the problem is that you forgot to order the swag. Okay, you forgot to order the part. So as I said earlier, there won't be any extension and the deadline. So better once you get the order, wait for at least 24 to 48 hours, then order it. Or wait for my video to come, then only order it. So that's all about this. If you have any other queries, you can comment down below. Thank you. Have a great day.